Hi guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Huepar Lm120a laser distance measurer. How much better am I getting at saying these names? Stick around, hope you enjoy it. We're going to be taking a general look at what's in the box, some of the features, what my thoughts are on it, and yeah, that's about it really. Okay, so let's get one thing out of the way straight away off the bat. I haven't paid for this. Huepar have sent this to me just for a review. They've not asked me to say nice things about it. You know in my past reviews anyway that I share my own thoughts. So yeah, they haven't asked me to say anything nice about it, but I haven't paid for it. They sent it to me, like gifted it to me. I'll put a little thing up here. Yeah, just in return for a video. So we're going to start off with by looking what we actually get in the box. Now this is the box that it comes in, or it came to me in. I'm not sure if that works for you guys or if they've just done that for ease for me. Yeah, it just had like a shipping label on the back of it, but overall, you know, it turned up, it's fine, there's nothing wrong with it at all. So let's get inside, have a little look at what we've got, and then we'll take it from there. So inside the package, that's what it looks like. Now it did have a charging cable in here, but I took it out and then I couldn't get it back in, so that's what we're dealing with right now, so bear with me on that. It should have a little cable in there. So you get the laser itself. Underneath the plastic box you get the cable, which should be in that little bit, but it's there. You get a nice neat little carrying case that comes with it, which I really like actually. It's really decent. Some of the other ones I've had in the past are just this on its own, and you know, they can get damaged. So nice little case, little lanyard, which I'm never too keen on using these, but you know, if you like using them, there's one in the box. And a receiver, not sure what you'd call that. Receiver. Let's get all that stuff out of the way. So, taking a look at the laser itself in construction, it's light. Oh, let's turn that back off. It's lightweight. It feels a bit plasticky, I'm not going to lie, but it feels strong. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart. Feels well built, even though it feels a bit plasticky. But overall, it's a fairly nice size. You know, you could put it in your pocket and it wouldn't be a pain in the bum. I find with these as well, it actually impresses the customers when you turn up and you've got something like this and you're doing your measurements as well. Like the customers go, oh, that looks nice, which I think helps when you work, to be honest. So I'm quite impressed with that. Now you'll find that this is actually quite packed out for a little machine like this, and for the cost of it as well, which is about 50 quid, so it's not a terrible price. It's actually packed with features, to be honest. So scrolling through some of the buttons on the front here, you've got the main button on the front here, which is the on-off button. Turns the device on. You get a little bleep to say that it's turned on. And that's also your read button as well. Then down here you've got your clear and off button. Press and hold for off and turn it back on again. You've got this button down here, which cycles it from reading from the front of the device, the back of the device, and actually the middle of the device. You can read from this green line here as well, which I actually found quite cool. Not seen that on one before. You probably have, but I haven't, not in my experience, so I like that. You've got volume buttons either side, so you can turn the volume up and down on the device itself. You can also do measuring areas of a room as well with this button here. So if you cycle through and press this button here, it'll actually do, you can measure around the room and it'll give you the area of the room, which is a nice feature. Like I say, it's just packed with some little features inside of it. Now if you look up here, you'll actually see it's got an angle finder on it as well, which is a really nice little feature I found. So there it's at 0 and there it's at 90 degrees, and it'll give you everything in between and beyond that as well, which I found was quite a nice feature, because I didn't actually expect this to be accurate at all. But I tested it against one of my little level boxes, which I know this one's good because I've checked this one against my trend angle finder, so you know, 3 points of transparency there. So I tested it against this one and it was reading true. Now I did various tests of this against my little DeWalt laser measurer. Link up there if you want to go and see the review for that one. And against just a traditional tape measure, and I found it to be really accurate. Sometimes it was a couple of mil out here or there, but nothing drastic. Yet again, like I said in the DeWalt review, I don't use these for bang on measurements. I use these for more measuring up stuff like that anyway, so it wouldn't bother me if it was a mil out here or there, but it was actually surprisingly good. Finding that 90% of the time it was reading bang on, and the other 10% of the time it was just like I said, a mil or two out, and that was over distances anyway. So yeah, overall quite impressed with that. It comes with a little tripod mount in the back. Now I'm not sure why you would actually want to use that, to be honest. Someone might be able to let me know in the comments if they've had a use for that, but I don't see the benefit massively of that, but it's there if you want to use it, you've got it. Like I say, comes with a nice neat little case, which I really like as well. Fits in there nice and snugly. You could probably even get the charging cable in there as well if you wanted to, but nice little belt loop on the back. I've never used it, but if you want to use it, it's there. Overall, I'm really impressed with the quality of this. I think it's a really nice little product. For the price, for the £50 price mark, I don't think you can go wrong. Now, I've left links in the description down below to where you can buy this. It is an affiliate link, and I will earn a small commission out of it if you do want to buy it from there. But that's at no extra cost to you. I will say, as with all the Huepar products that I've looked at, going to them directly to buy it, either through my description or going onto their actual website, is going to be the cheapest place to buy these. I've seen that, like, if you go onto Amazon, then that is slightly more expensive to buy it that way. So yeah, I'd go directly onto their website, either through my link or go over to their website, and you'll find it there. But yeah, that's about it really. There's not a lot more to say about it. It does what it says on the tin. It measures, and it measures well. I'm happy with it. I use it for all of my measuring up now whenever I go into jobs. Like I say, customers like it as well. I use my iPad to take my notes down on and this, and the customers seem to like it. So I'm going to stick with using it. Yeah, that's about it really. I'm going to leave it there for all you guys. If you got anything out of this video, please hit that like button, because that really helps me get these videos out. If you want to see more of this sort of stuff, hit that subscribe button, ding that bell, you'll be up to date with all of my videos. But without further ado, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one. Cheers.